when you want to optimize your ad campaign, you can leverage offline conversion. And it's really useful in the B2B ecosystem because most of the time, you don't want to send back to Google or Facebook or LinkedIn the unqualified conversion, meaning people who sign up to your product but that are not qualified, because the algorithm will optimize the targeting based on those kind of people and create like lookalike audiences. What you want is to send back only the qualified conversion. So for us, we have like a couple of people who sign up on the website, like people working for WooCommerce stores, people working for Squarespace stores, people working for Shopify stores. And we only want to send back the conversion when it's someone working for Shopify. And so basically what we do is we use like our reverse ETL iTouch to push back the data directly within Google or Facebook or whatever, and in a really simple way with a SQL query. And that's the first step. The second step is about optimizing your campaign for the value. And that's where Dreamdata make a lot of sense for us, because we have designed in-house a lead scoring model or an account scoring model that allows us to predict the value of a given deal from the moment someone book a demo or start a trial, even before he discusses with the AI. And so what we do is with Dreamdata, we are able in real time to say, okay, like this conversion, like represent X% of the deal value. Like, okay, you are the last click of the whole customer journey. So for a deal of 10K created, we won't send back like 10K as value. We will send like 3, 4, 5K maybe. And so we are able to say to Google, okay, like if you want to optimize for the value, please take a look at those kind of people considering the whole journey. And so you're not skewing the data with like a lucky deal that you've been able to generate from like one campaign. And so Google will optimize based on that. So that's really useful for us to optimize based on the value, considering the holistic journey and not just like get a view of, okay, there is one touch point that has generated this deal.